Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the video to do the English practice which I've frequently used doing past couple of months. So today I've just picked out this video for speaking in this video. Basically, I've spoken on the video multiple times, but I haven't listened to myself. So in this video, I'm going to listen and just uploading the video about like what are the things which is required if somebody's is want to improve his listening skills as well. So in this video you will see a lot of things. So I'm just playing this video. You will find out like a beginner how many mistakes he done in his life. So let's jump into this video. Into my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So I've just come here like to explore this place which I have like currently uploaded videos in multiple times in YouTube in this YouTube channel. So I hope you also like my practice videos which I have uploaded. So in today's video I'm also going to make a video on English practice because yeah, it is a majorly important thing for like somebody who want to get skills, because in the market in every market in what is matter is your skills, how experienced you are and how much skillful you have. So yeah, I want to make this video uh, for YouTube, and there's a lot of times where I just not speak like what I want to speak, like, but that is the way like a beginner do, because if you are fluent learner, there are multiple people who can teach you basically, and nowadays there is less time people have, but yeah, I try to make video at least for 5 minutes in every single day, but yeah, it is very difficult for some time, because it's your willpower basically. Sometimes my I lack of willpower, I'm not able to upload the video, but yeah, this is very a sunny day, and it's feel amazing to come here and let just seeing the vibe of this place. That is very fascinating and amazing place to like see rich people, like how they spend and how they live their life luxuriously. So I think probably uh, it is my last day to come here, because in upcoming days I'm going to search another mall which is very front of my office, and that is also developed. So yeah, in upcoming days I'm going to go over there and record videos, and yeah, it's feel yeah, while uploading the video there is a lack of energy which I want to improve, which I want to enhance. And so I think this whole video I want to upload it for 3 minutes, and this is like a beautiful place for a nature person who like want to live with nature. And this is very designed, and the people who have built this huge humongous building, you can see this. I think it is a great source of attraction, like people come and want to like see this. And so I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. So if you watch this video, you will find a lot of things where
Hi everyone, welcome back.
I was lacking. Like there is some times where I basically stuck while speaking. So this was a part, and if you want to basically listen yourself, that is very important for you, because while listening yourself, you will your subconscious mind will understand more easily, because you are listening yourself rather than other people. So it was a very easy thing, but for subconscious mind it is very important. So if you want to improve your listening skills, so you can watch a native speaker, along with that like listen yourself, because that is how you can build a lot of complex vocabulary, and you can use it in your way as well. So in this video I'm completing this video. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, like. Bye bye, have a good day.